Good morning, students. As we know that last time we had started the third lesson, that is be a good listener, and there were 3 points we had discussed. To become a good listener, what are the things the listener should acquire, the listener should have to become a good listener? Those things, those ways we have discussed last time. For example, when you are listening to someone, do you like at the person or do you turn your head away or toy with something else? Good listeners look at the speaker. Means, if you want to become good listener, we should focus on the speaker, what he or she is asking or telling to us. Second question, do you pay attention to the what the speaker is saying? Good listeners pay close attention to the speaker. This is second question. Being a good, as to become a good listener, we should listen or we should pay our close attention to the speaker. Third question, do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? What are the special efforts? Means paying attention, listening, looking or hearing. These are the common questions or common what can say efforts. But what are the special efforts to get from the speaker what actually speaker is telling? Here are some of the things that will help you understand the speaker better. Means, today we are going to start what are the special efforts. What are the special efforts? What are the special efforts to become good listener, a good paying attention and what you can say looking at the speaker, paying attention, looking at the speaker, listening. These are the common efforts. But what are the special efforts to become a good listener? That we are going to know in this lecture. Let's start. First is, if you hear someone, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from the context. For example, speaker. Right now I am speaker and you are listeners. And I am speaking with you. I am speaking to you. And while speaking, suppose I use some unfamiliar words. Suppose I use difficult words. Those meanings you don't know. Those meanings of the unfamiliar words, meaning of the difficult words, or meaning of the phrase, or meaning of the what you can say some other new words. Don't you know that what you do? You do the mention. You can write down. You can put down. You can note down the such difficult words, unfamiliar words, and try to find the meaning of those words from the context. This is the one of the important and one of the special effort of good listener. Next is, you can try to guess what the speaker will say next. What the speaker will say next. See here, we are listening to the speaker. While listening to the speaker, these things are very important. One is, sometimes speaker can use some unfamiliar words, difficult words, or we can say some important phrases. But the meaning of those phrases, meaning of those unfamiliar words, we don't know. But we should hear. We should not interrupt the speaker in between the lecture or in between the talk. You can say silent yourself. You can just keep hearing, keep listening to the speaker, and after completion of the what you can say lecture, after completion of the talk of the speaker, then you can find out the difficult words of the unfamiliar words and the or you can say difficult words or new phrases from the context. What actually the speaker wanted to say. This is the one of the important effort of the, we can say, that we have seen right now. Second, you can try to guess what the speaker will say next. See here, guessing. What is guess? Guess means imagine. What is imagine? Suppose, for example, if you pay close attention, if you pay the close attention towards the speaker, definitely we may have some certain, what we can say, knowledge, certain, what we can say, imagination power, what actually the speaker will say next. When will it happen? When will it happen? When we pay the close attention to the speaker to guess what actually speaker wanted to say us. This is the second and foremost important special effort of the good listener. Next is try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker. Sometimes what happens, we don't understand anything. Sometimes what happens, the students don't understand the lecture of coach sir. Sometimes the students don't understand the lecture of their mother sir. But that time students should be silent, should be quiet, just quiet. And after the lecture when lecture will finish, that time the students will ask the respective teacher, sir, this and this you use this and these words, this and these words, this is these difficult words, and this what you can say unfamiliar words you can use in your lecture, in your talk, but I didn't understand. Please revise it one more time for me. This is the way to know the more information, further information from the speaker. What is the things? Try to keep listening. Try to keep listening even when you feel you do not understand anything. Means all the words only they are flying over your head. Only flying, or you can say overhead. The words are not going in your head. You do not understand anything. Only you just quiet. But you do not understand. That time you just do it. What if you do that? You keep listening the speaker. Even you do not understand anything. Or even when you disagree with the speaker. See here, two important things is here. One is you do not understand anything, and second thing, you are disagreeing with the speaker. Disagree means you are not believing what the speaker is telling. Yes, sometimes it happens. The teacher is telling, but sometimes students are not believing. The students are, what you can say, disagree with the teacher what he wanted to say. But after completion of lecture, when the lecture make the understand the student, then the clarify will be done. Then the problem will be, what you can say, eradicate. What you can say from the students. First is you do not understand. Keep listening to the speaker. Second thing, when you are disagree with the speaker, and next is wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying. We have to wait. Why we have to wait? Because suppose the speaker is speaking. It is not good to interrupt someone. It is not good to interrupt. What is interrupt? Interrupt is disturb while speaking. We do not interrupt, we do not, what you can say, disturb to someone while speaking. Wait for some time, wait for a while, and after completion of the speaking, after completion of lecture, then you can ask about your doubts, about your, what you can say, difficult words, about your, what you can say, your agree, disagree, whatever things you can be solved after completion of the, what you can say, lecture. Today I think this much enough for we people. Homework you can do it. What is the homework? Homework is write the things write the things or special efforts write things or special efforts that you know to become a good listener. First, only one question you can do it. Write the things or special efforts. You have to write about special efforts. Those can be used to become a good listener. Thank you. Have a nice day.